Good morning, students. Today I will explain you monopoly, which is an extreme case of imperfect competition. Imperfect competition when the sellers produce heterogeneous goods. The examples of imperfect competition are monopoly, oligopoly, monopolistic competition and monopoly. Today I will here explain you monopoly in detail. Monopoly, as the word indicates, mono plus poly. Mono means single and poly means seller. So in the market where there is single seller of a product is called monopoly. Or in other words, when there is a sole producer of a unique product or a producer who has control over the entire supply is called as monopoly. The characteristics of monopoly are, first, as earlier I explained you, that when there is a single firm or a single seller or a single supplier or a producer of a unique product in the market. Second, the production of such a good which has no close substitute. Third, there are heavy restrictions or heavy barriers on entry and exit of new firms in an industry. Further, there is no competition at all in monopoly. Further, there is no distinction between a firm and industry. A firm and industry is same. Then, the cross elasticity of demand between the product of firm and that of other commodities in the market is zero. Then the aim of the monopolist is profit maximization. Further, because the monopolist has the control on the entire supply, therefore he is in the situation either to fix the output or price, but only one at a time. Now, how does the monopoly occurs? The monopoly may occur because of the following reasons. First, the seller may have the control over the entire deposit of minerals and there are no other deposits in the economy. Further, the monopoly may be found in patent laws. If the monopolist patent his produce, he may renew it and enjoy the monopoly power in long run. Further, some statutory regulations of government may also give rise to monopolistic conditions. Further, the monopoly source also occurs when the production is efficiently done. Now, coming to the revenue and revenue curves of monopoly, we see here that the price is given, the quantity is given, and when we multiply the price into quantity, we get TR, and the difference between TR and quantity gives us marginal revenue. When we analyze this table, we see that the total revenue is continuously increasing from 0 to 9, 16. When the price is 10 and the quantity is 0, naturally the revenue will be 0. But as the price falls and the quantity supplied increases, the total revenue is continuously increasing, but the marginal revenue declines. Here in this figure, we can see that the AR and MR is falling, and where E is equal to elasticity is equal to 1, at ON level of output, MR is positive and TR is maximum. But if elasticity is less than 1, MR becomes negative and TR starts falling. So here we see that the output the monopoly will supply or the monopoly will produce will be greater than 1. That is, it will be, the production will always be above R. Now the equilibrium, if we study in monopoly, in short run we see that there are two approaches to equilibrium, TR and TC and MR and MC. Here the TR is this curve, it becomes maximum and then it falls. TC starts from above the origin because fixed cost is also included where the difference between TR and TC is maximum, the profit is maximum and the output level is also decided, or it is equilibrium output OQ. The A and B are break-even points because at these points TR is equal to TC, and before this the loss area because TC is greater than TR, and after B also the total cost is greater than total revenue, therefore it earns loss. The profit is only in between A and B because TR is greater than TC. Here we see that AR and MR falls rapidly in monopoly because it is inelastic curve. Here the equilibrium is at E, where MR is equal to MC. At E point output is OQ and the price is OP. The cost is OR. As the price is greater than the cost, therefore the profit area is shown by the shaded area PRST. So this is the first class where we have only explained what is monopoly, the characteristics